Welcome to this exploration of the branches of physics. Physics is a vast and fascinating field that has evolved over centuries, dividing itself into distinct areas of study. Today, we'll journey through the major divisions of physics, from the classical physics that describes our everyday world, to modern physics that reveals the mysteries of the quantum realm and the cosmos, and beyond into specialized interdisciplinary fields. Before diving into the branches, let's understand what physics actually is. Physics is the fundamental science that studies matter, energy, and their interactions across space and time. It seeks to understand how the universe works at every scale, from the tiniest subatomic particles to the largest galaxies. Physics provides the foundation for all other natural sciences and helps us explain phenomena ranging from why objects fall to the ground to how light travels through space. Physics is broadly divided into two major categories: classical physics and modern physics. Classical physics encompasses all the physics developed before 1900, which describes everyday phenomena we can observe directly, like motion, heat, and light. Modern physics emerged after 1900 and explores realms beyond our everyday experience, including the atomic and subatomic world, as well as objects moving at extremely high speeds. This division marks a fundamental shift in how we understand nature. Classical physics describes macroscopic phenomena using deterministic laws. This means that if you know the initial conditions of a system, you can predict its future behavior with certainty. Classical physics operates on principles that seem intuitive to us: predictable outcomes based on known forces, continuous variables that can take any value, observable scales that match our everyday experience, and the concept of absolute time and space that remains the same for all observers. These principles work exceptionally well for objects moving at speeds much slower than light and much larger than atoms. Classical physics consists of four main branches. First, mechanics, which studies motion and forces acting on objects, from falling apples to planetary orbits. Second, thermodynamics, which explores heat, energy, and temperature, explaining everything from engines to refrigerators. Third, electromagnetism, which unifies electric and magnetic phenomena, governing electricity, magnetism, and electromagnetic waves, including light. And fourth, optics, which examines the behavior of light, including how it reflects, refracts, and forms images. These branches form the foundation of much of our technological world. Modern physics explores extreme scales, the atomic, subatomic, and cosmic realms where classical physics breaks down. Unlike classical physics, modern physics reveals a probabilistic nature to reality, where outcomes can only be predicted as probabilities rather than certainties. It introduces the concept of quantized energy, meaning energy comes in discrete packets rather than continuous amounts. Modern physics also shows us that spacetime is relative, not absolute, meaning measurements of space and time depend on the observer's motion. Perhaps most strikingly, it reveals wave-particle duality, where matter and light exhibit both wave-like and particle-like properties. Quantum mechanics is the physics of atoms, electrons, and subatomic particles. It describes a world that seems bizarre compared to our everyday experience. The uncertainty principle states that certain pairs of properties, like position and momentum, cannot both be known with perfect precision simultaneously. Superposition allows particles to exist in multiple states at once until measured. And entanglement links particles in ways that seem to defy our intuitive understanding of separate objects. Quantum mechanics is essential for understanding chemistry, electronics, and emerging technologies like quantum computers. Relativity comes in two forms, both developed by Albert Einstein. Special relativity deals with physics at high velocities approaching the speed of light. It reveals that time slows down and lengths contract for objects moving at such speeds, and that mass and energy are equivalent, as expressed in the famous equation E equals mc squared. General relativity extends these ideas to include gravity, describing it not as a force, but as the curvature of spacetime itself caused by mass and energy. Massive objects like stars and planets literally bend the fabric of space and time around them. Beyond classical and modern physics lie specialized branches that push our understanding even further. Particle physics investigates the fundamental particles and forces that make up everything in the universe, from quarks to the Higgs boson. Astrophysics applies physics to understand celestial objects and phenomena, from stars and galaxies to black holes and the Big Bang. Condensed matter physics studies the properties of solid and liquid states of matter, leading to discoveries like superconductivity and new materials. Nuclear physics explores atomic nuclei and nuclear reactions, with applications ranging from power generation to medical treatments. Physics doesn't exist in isolation. Many exciting fields combine physics with other disciplines. Biophysics applies physical principles to biological systems, helping us understand everything from protein folding to brain function. Geophysics studies the physical properties of Earth, including seismic waves, the magnetic field, and the planet's internal structure. Chemical physics uses physical principles to understand chemical processes at a fundamental level. And computational physics employs numerical methods and computer simulations to solve complex physical problems that cannot be solved analytically. These interdisciplinary fields demonstrate how physics continues to expand and connect with other areas of science.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.